Channel, and today we are going to have a look at the Samsung S8 Plus and do the unboxing, and I'll show you the first hand impression of the Samsung S8 Plus. So this is the box of Samsung S8 Plus, and it's a simple packaging which has been going on from last 2 to 3 years, and this retails for 69,000 Indian currency. So let's remove the plastic wrapping of it. So this one is in the coral blue color, and there are two types of variants in this. So the one is with the 128 GB with 6 GB RAM, and one with the 64 GB with 4 GB RAM. So this one is the 64 GB with the 4 GB RAM. And so let's now remove the sleeve. It's really I'll just keep it over here. So this is the box, and this one is the Indian manufacturing, so it has a Indian SIM card only. So now let's break the seal. So here is the piece, actual phone. Let's remove this phone and keep it aside. We'll have a look at it in a second. Oh god, this thing looks amazing. The color is amazing. Now let's see what's inside the box. This is a normal divider. So over here on the back side, here is a SIM ejecting tool, and inside it's the quick guide, and it also comes with a Indian Hindi quick guide, as it's an Indian manufacturing phone. So that's it, nothing else. Let's keep this aside. Over here you get a fast charging brick by Samsung, and this is a type C to micro USB adapter. You can use this to charge S8 with an micro USB. And this is one more OTG. You can use it to attach pen drives and view all the files from the pen drive in your phone. And over here, this is the type C cable to charge your phone. This is the AKG headphones which comes with it, and it has been said that it's worth $99. So I'll let you know how the quality it is. And here it has a braided cable, which it's definitely good. It will be withstand a lot more longer. And over here are the earheads tip according to your sizes, which one you prefer. So that's it in the box. Now let's keep the box aside and see the main attraction of the video. So over here is the phone. So this is a 64 GB variant, as you can see, and I've already told you all. And let's boot the phone. Nice. So let's go through its features. And it has a 12 megapixel camera on the back, 8 megapixel camera on the front, and here is a fingerprint scanner, flash LED, and here is the heart rate monitor. Onto the bottom, here is a 3.5mm headphone jack with type C port, and here is this mono speaker. Over this side, here is the Bixby key, and here is the volume rocker. On the top This is the SIM tray, and it is a hybrid SIM tray. You can either use two SIM cards, or you can use one SIM and one micro SD card up to 256 GB. Over this side, here is the power key. Over here is the speaker. So now let's start, and let me just set it up and get back to you all, guys. So guys, I just finished setting up the smartphone, and I just did it in a hurry to show you guys the features of it. And so the screen is 6.2 inch in a Super AMOLED display. Its pixels are 1440 by 2960 pixels, 18 by 9 ratio, and it runs on Android 7.0 Nougat, and the processor is Exynos 8895 Octa Core, and the other variant is 835 Snapdragon, which is available only in USA and China. So that's a bad luck, and I don't usually consider it as a bad luck because it's like normal. There's not much difference, and you can increase the storage by adding a micro SD card up to 256 GB. And the front and the back is a Gorilla Glass 5, and it has an aluminium body, and it has fast charging also and a wireless charging, and it has a fingerprint scanner over here, iris scanner, and it has a battery of 3500 mAh battery, non-removable. The colors are midnight black, orchid gray, arctic silver, coral blue, maple gold, and the rose pink. And I have the coral blue in my hand, which is amazing. It looks different and stands out from the crowd. So let's check out the camera of it. Okay. So let's click a picture. The picture is very crispy, and the clarity is really nice. There's no pixelation, as you guys can see. The colors are very vibrant, and the infinity display looks amazing. And you have the edge features also, like the previous generation, like the S6 Edge and S7 Edge, which is really nice, and it's really very comfortable in the hands and feels good too. So this is the video for and my review and unboxing of the Samsung S8 Plus. So let me know, guys, how do you feel about this phone, and what are your opinion according to it, and did you like my video? And if you did like it, just leave a thumbs up, comment, and share and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you, guys. So see you in the next video.